Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, dear students, and welcome to our science class. Today is Thursday, and the date is 21 of October 2021. After we finish Unit 4, I'm very sure we are ready to do the unit review. So please, everyone, open to page 197 and let's do it together. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Do you know how to use the hand? How to raise the hand? Very good. So please, Habibi, raise the hand if you want to answer with me. Over here, you can see a box with words. I want you to use these words to fill in the blank with the correct one. We have the word consumer, environment, food chain, habitat, and producer. Please keep your mic off, Habibi. Your mic off. Your mic off, ya قلبي. I still can hear you. Okay, now very good. Now let's start with Talal Iyad. Talal Iyad. Number 1 is the place in a forest where a bear lives. Is called what?
It's called what?
Yes. What do we call the place that animal lives in? Do we call it consumer, environment, food chain, habitat, producer? What do you think?
Environment.
Be sure, the place. What do we call the place? What do we call the place?
Court.
Okay, Talal. I'm gonna give you another chance later. Let's see Sif. Hi, Sif.
Habitat.
Excellent. It's a habitat. Well done. So, the place that animal lives in or a living thing lives in, we call it habitat. Let's see Abdul Ilah Al-Badi. Number 2, ya Abdul Ilah.
Yes, miss.
Everything that surround a living thing is what? Consumer, environment, food chain, producer? What do you think? What do we call everything that surround a living thing?
Environment.
Excellent. We call it environment. Excellent. Well done. Let's see Ghazi. Yes, ya Ghazi. Hamza, you are next. Hi, Ghazi.
Because an oak tree can make its own food, it's an producer.
Excellent. Well done, ya Ghazi. Because if a living thing can make their own food, definitely it's a producer. Well
Miss,
done.
I can go bathroom or no?
Yes, of course, ya Habibi Abdulaziz. But are you going to write? Can you catch up with us?
I will write number 2 and 3.
Okay.
Miss, I already know this question from yesterday. It's coming the electronic homework.
Yes, that's right. Also in the revision, we revised together. Very good. Hamza. Hamza, you are now. It's your turn. Number 4. Producers and consumers.
I finished.
Are connected where? In?
Food chain.
Excellent, food chain. Well done. Hi, Talal Iyad. Are you ready for the last one?
Science. Yes.
Talal. If a deer eats other living things, so it is what?
It's what?
The last one, number 5. You can use the box.
Box.
Here, in the box, over here.
Miss Consumer.
Hiya, Talal. Hiya, Talal.
Consumer. Yes.
Excellent. It's a consumer. Very good. Because it doesn't make their own food. They don't break down dead organisms to eat or to grow. So they eat other living things. Definitely,
Miss,
it's a consumer.
Miss, I will write number 5. Then I will go in the bathroom. Miss, okay? Miss, I say consumer, not Talal.
Sorry?
Me say consumer. Then Talal.
Okay, Abdurrahman, why? Why, Abdurrahman? It's not your turn.
Because I help.
Okay. All right, Abdulaziz, you can go. Close your mic and camera. When you come back, please open them again.
Miss, can I answer for Miss, I will go in the bathroom, okay?
Yes, Abdulaziz, yes.
Miss, can I answer number 6?
Abdurrahman, is that you?
Yes.
Okay, let's give your friend just a minute to complete writing, and then
I finish.
Your friends, Habibi. We have to wait for your friends so they can finish writing. طيب يا ماما?
طيب. For 1 billion hours. سنة. قبل مليون سنة. يا ليل. مستحيل من بليون سنة.
Yeah, Habibi, close your mic. Please close your mic. All right, boys, are you ready to move to the next one? Number 6. Let's go to number 6. Hi, Abdurrahman.
Sojourn visit a pond near her house and drew the sketch below. It includes ducks, 2 kinds of fish, and 2 kinds of plants. How many different populations can be seen in this habitat?
How many populations?
3.
Are you sure?
Oh, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 5.
It's ducks, include ducks, 2 kinds of fish,
Nice.
and 2 kinds of plant.
2 kinds of fish. 5.
5, excellent. Why 5? Because they are different?
Yes.
Very good. They are different kinds. Excellent. Number 7. Number 7, Haya Ahmed Zbedi. Christina draws a sketch of a desert in her notebook. She includes lizards, cacti, spiders, owls, rocks, and soil. Which would make the best title for Christina's sketch? Is it a desert community, a desert ecosystem, a desert population, or a desert habitat?
A desert habitat. A desert habitat.
Why? Is it the place where animal lives? Or
No.
it includes not only living things, also non-living things? All
Ecosystem.
together. Hi, Ahmed Zbedi.
Yes, I know it. Can I say it?
No, Ahmed Zbedi. Is it community, ecosystem, population, or habitat? See, all the yes, excellent, a desert ecosystem, because all the living and non-living in one place depend on each other to live. We call it an eco.
Yes, I like in the chat, ecosystem.
Very good, no. Thank you.
I didn't see from the chat. I didn't see from
Fine,
the chat.
yeah, Habibi, it's okay. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Yeah.
Did you finish? Can we move to the next page?
Yep.
Very good then. Okay. All right, we will do number 8 and 10, and then we will move to 9 and 11. All right? Very good. Now let's complete number 8. Yeah, Salim. Where are you, ya Salim? Are you here?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, let's do number 8 together.
Yeah.
Pablo is studying how animals and plants depend on each other. See?
What? What's the question?
Pablo is studying how animals and plants depend on each other. They depend, okay? He set up a terrarium like the one shown here. Can you see the terrarium over here? What would be the most likely to happen if he removed all the plants from the terrarium? Insects would reproduce faster, or insect population would stay the same? Salim, give me
the insect population. The insect population will not be the same.
The insect would not get enough food to eat and would die?
Yes.
Excellent. Yes. Excellent. Why?
Because they get food from the plants.
Excellent. Very good. Because they depend on each other. If they depend on each other, they need each other. So if there is one missing, the other will die. Very good. Very good.
They will die by each other. One will die, then the other, then the other.
Let's try this with Ismail. Number 10, ya Ismail. Okay. Me wants to start a vegetable garden in her yard. While she was choosing a location, a neighbor told her to check the soil for earthworms before she started planting. Why would the neighbor suggest this? This is a good thing. The neighbor told her, check the soil, earthworm, before you start planting. This is a good thing. Now, why he did this?
The answer is B.
Earthworm are producers? Are you sure?
No.
Give the nutrients to the garden plant? Or they are consumers? Are they consumers who will eat the seed before they can sprout? D. Or they are decomposers?
Yes, I was saying D.
D. Excellent. Why? Because earthworms are what?
Decomposers.
What do they do? Decomposers. But what do they do? Excellent.
The plants make for us vegetables and fruits.
Can you complete the line? They are decomposers and
nutrients.
Add
Nutrients to the soil by breaking down the dead organism.
Excellent. So earthworms are what?
It's earth are decomposers.
Excellent, ya Ismail. Well done, well done. Very good. Ha habibi. Did you finish?
Miss, number 9, we not do it. Number 9,
Yes, I finished.
We will do
Number
9
9.
and 11 now, yeah, Abdulaziz. Do you want to help me, Abdulaziz, 9 and 11?
Okay. Miss, number 1 and 2, number 6 and 7, what is B or what?
Okay, number 6 is 5 kinds of population.
Okay.
And number 7, what was number 7, boys? Huh, boys, what was number 7?
It's me.
Huh?
I know.
Number 7 was a desert ecosystem.
Ecosystem.
Excellent.
The first one.
No, the second one.
What?
The second B, not A.
Yes, I choose B.
A desert ecosystem. All right, Abdulaziz, let's do number 9 together. Let's do number 9 together.
Miss, can I do number 11?
Yes, ya Hamza, of course. Yalla ya Abdulaziz. The weather report says that some parts of the country should expect heavy rain. Okay? Heavy rain for all the next 2 weeks. Oh, so too much time having too much rain. How might this affect the environment if we have heavy rainfall for the next 2 weeks? Are we going to have a drought or a flood?
A flood.
Okay. Does now a flood will provide shelter to more animals, or the flood will cause some animals to have to move away?
To move away.
Of course. Thank you very much, ya Abdulaziz. Excellent.
D.
Okay. Hamza.
Yes.
Animals live in a certain habitat depending, okay, how they live. Look at the picture over here. In which habitat do you think this animal lives? Does this animal lives in a desert, grassland, rainforest, or river?
River.
Why did you say river? That's right, but why?
Because I know.
Huh? It has what? Look at the nose. Look like what?
Look like
a bird?
No.
Huh?
Yes, I know. Can take me, I know it.
A
duck. Looks like a
yes, ya Talal, look like a duck. What about this? What is this? What do you call this one?
Miss, that's like for the big ones. The big ones is like this.
Hi, Hamza. What is this, ya Hamza?
This is flipping.
Yes. Okay. These help this animal to swim. Excellent. What about the tail? Look at the tail. So this animal has all the adaptation to help it swim. Excellent, 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 boys. So did you finish writing, everyone?
Of course.
Okay, let's say bye-bye to recording.
I finished.